Okay. We'll just continue this exactly where it was. That question that you had, Ryan, I think it was something to the fact, we'll do a sine wave. It doesn't matter, cos one, sine wave. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, we'll just make one up here. Let's go sine of pi over 12 cos. Let's go 2 pi over 3. Is that going to work? Yeah, that should be. We'll see. We'll find out anyways. And then we'll say plus sine of 2 pi over 3 cos of pi over 12. Now, I can do this a bunch of different ways. I can change those pi over 3 ones to 12, and maybe that would have been the better way to go. But this here, you've got, when you see something like this, and this is just my hint to you, because you're going to see these on exams, on tests, on everything like that. You have to start to recognize the formulas. So what formula is this for? What identity is it for? But which one? The sum one, right? The sum identity. So when you write that out, the sine of alpha plus beta, what they're really doing is, now this question might not work out, but the ones you'll get should work out so that you go, hey, here, I'll change this up so you can see it better. This is my alpha, this is my beta, because that pi over 12 is not a chartable angle, is it? So when I go and put it in here, sine of pi over 12 plus 2 pi over 3, if I go and close this up now, hopefully, okay, like I said, this one probably won't work out, but if I do this, we got a common denominator of a 12, so I get pi over 12 plus, what's that going to be, 8 pi over 3, or 8 pi over 12, sorry. So now, the sine of 9 pi over 12, what do you notice about the 9 pi over 12? It can reduce, good. So now, I got the sine of 3 pi over 4. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a chartable angle, isn't it? So at 3 pi over 4, where are we? We're sine's going to be root 2 over 2, positive. There's your answer. So instead of trying to figure out what this guy is on its own, and trying to figure out what this guy is on its own, you recognize, hey, it's a sum formula for sine. Let's just put alpha and beta back in and see if, almost going backwards from what we did the other day, where we broke it up and used it. Now we're pulling it together and saying, oh, this is going to make a chartable angle. So that's all it is, getting used to the identities. Does everybody see how we did that? Questions, concerns, worries? Nothing? There's the last part of that now. How about her?